be looking at how to create the sparkline graphs, which are one of the essential parts into the data analysis, at the same time which is used to show to our prospective clients and customers about what the trends are showing. So to create a sparkline graph, first go into the cell where you want to create a graph, and then then go into the insert, and into the insert go into the sparklines. Click on the sparklines. On sparkline there is a line. We'll take a line graph right now. There are also column graphs and win-loss graphs. So I will just first take the line graph. Click on line graph. Then here you will find a pointer where you can actually just click on that. It will collapse the dialog box, and you can now select the data for which the sparkline is required. So I will just select right now data from score 1 to score 11 as one of the data point, and press enter and OK. So see, you can actually find a good sparkline here, which is actually showing how the data is performing. At the same time, you can just drag it down, and you will find all types of graphs, all types of sparklines where it is being presented. At the same time, you will see you can easily visualize what are the changing trends and what kind of trends are there in a given data. Also, if I want to just create for the score 1 how the score 1 is looking and score 2 is looking on the different data sets and everything, so how to do that? Just again go into the insert, go into the sparklines line, and then select the data points for which we want to have a sparkline. So I will just press OK, and now here the sparklines are presented. Now you can just drag this to the very end, and you will get the sparklines here also. So that way you can actually analyze how your data is performing, how a data is performing for a particular set, and how particular set is performing over a given data points. So both way you can actually analyze and use the sparklines very effectively. Hope you understand about the sparklines. Thank you.